Alright, good morning everyone. It is Christmas morning, December 25th. I'm in a similar area where I saw that fisher in the video where I got my archery buck. I walked through here still hunting during the shotgun season and spooked a deer down in here and another one up my way to the right. It's really thick. I only have a couple shooting lanes, but there's a trail that comes from in front of me to back behind me, vice versa, and then some of them crossing here through the brush. So a couple oak trees producing acorns in this little grove. It's cold. It's in low 20s right now. Snow on the ground, a little dusting. Should be able to hear the deer walking through the brush if they're going to come through. This might be my last morning out here deer hunting for the year, because the last couple days next week that I could be able to get out, they're predicting rain, so I don't like bringing a muzzleloader out in the rain. They just don't seem to work very well for me. I've had a bad history with that, so yeah, just gonna be sitting here for the morning. Hopefully we have some action. Unfortunately, the tree that I climbed, I got everything set up when I was wrapping my hands around the tree. There was some slimy frozen stuff on the tree, and it appears that right above me is a hole in the tree. A big hole in the tree. So I think I have chosen a den tree of something to set up in. So hopefully whatever is in there decides to stay there or is not home, because if that is a raccoon or a fisher, this could be a fun time. So, but I already had it all set up. Wasn't going to change my position, so see you guys when the light shows up. 20 yards away, and my muzzleloader misfired. The primer went off, but the gunpowder did not ignite, so oh well. I still hear him though. I still hear him over there. I doubt they'll come back. Alright, well, unfortunately, no more deer this morning. I'm not sure where that doe and her fawns went. Sound like they went back the way they came and then came down into the swamp a different way. But I never saw them again after they walked up that way. Wind's starting to pick up. I want to put a trail camera on this trail that I'm over right now, especially now that I know deer are walking down into here exactly how I thought they were going to be. After that, I'm going to make a quick trip to a different property that's not too far from here that I have a trail camera on. Put it up, I think, 2 weeks ago at the end of the shotgun season. So I'm curious to see if there's any daylight activity there, if it's morning or afternoon or whatnot. So I'm going to go there, change that card. But I was only going to be out a couple hours this morning. It is Christmas after all, so can't be out here all day, unfortunately. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get out again. I'm hoping I'm able to, at least for half a day. But anyway, I'll see you guys at the trail camera when I check that card. Alright, good morning. It is December 31st, the last day of the Massachusetts deer season here. So this will be my last hunt, deer hunting for this year. I'm in the same spot that I was on Christmas Day. I haven't been out since then. I just checked the trail camera down below me, and the only picture that I got of a deer walking in front of that camera was at 9:30 in the morning, and it was a doe. So there's multiple different trails. It forks off out in front of me here, same place that the deer last week came out from. They just didn't reach the forking off part. I don't know what time it is. We got a little bit of time before shooting light. And unfortunately, I have to work this afternoon, so I only have until about 9:30, 9:45 to hunt out here. But regardless, hopefully we have some action. Alright, well, it's about 9:30, and that's it for me for the 2024 deer season. Didn't see any deer this morning, but overall it's been a great season. Got 5 deer, missed one with the bow, had that misfire on the doe last week, so can't complain about this season. Now it's time to put more focus onto small game and waterfowl. So, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next.